If you want to know how to join objects in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'm going to show you the fastest way to combine separate shapes into one object, plus a couple of useful tips so you can do it the right way every time. This is super helpful, whether you're building a simple model, preparing a design for 3D printing, or just trying to clean up your workspace and make your project easier to manage. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your Tinkercad project and make sure the shapes you want to join are already placed on the work plane. You can only group objects that are close enough and position the way you want them before combining them, so take a moment to line everything up carefully. If the shapes are not aligned properly now, the final joined object may not look the way you expect. You can move, rotate, and resize them first, then join them once everything is in the right spot. Now select the objects you want to join. There are two easy ways to do this. You can hold Shift on your keyboard and click each object one by one, or you can click and drag a selection box around all the shapes at once. Once the objects are selected, you'll notice they are highlighted together. That means Tinkercad is ready for the next step. At the top right toolbar, look for the Group button. It usually looks like a square and a circle combined into one shape. This is the main tool you use to join objects in Tinkercad. Click that Group button and Tinkercad will merge the selected shapes into a single grouped object. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if you want to work faster. On Windows, press Ctrl+G. On Mac, press Command+G. That shortcut does the same thing and is really useful once you get used to it. Here's something important to understand. When you group objects in Tinkercad, the result depends on whether the shapes are solid or holes. If you group two solid shapes together, they will merge into one solid form. But if you group a solid shape with a hole shape, the hole will cut out space from the solid. This is one of the most powerful features in Tinkercad because it lets you create custom cutouts, openings, and detailed designs very easily. You may also notice that after grouping, the objects all turn the same color. That's normal. Tinkercad often assigns one color to the grouped object, so it looks like one piece. But if you want to keep the original colors while still grouping the shapes, you can do that too. Click the solid color circle in the inspector panel, then check the multicolor box. This allows the grouped object to keep its different colors instead of turning into a single color. That's a useful trick if you want better visual separation between parts of your model. Now, if you ever need to make changes later, don't worry, grouping is not permanent. You can always reverse it. Just click the grouped object, then select Ungroup from the toolbar, which is usually right next to the group icon. You can also use the shortcut Shift+Ctrl+G on Windows or Shift+Command+G on Mac. Once ungrouped, the shapes will separate again, and you can edit them individually. So the simple process is this. Select the objects, click Group, and Tinkercad joins them into one design. If you want to cut out, use a hole shape. If you want to keep colors, enable multicolor. And if you need to edit something later, just ungroup it and make your changes. Once you understand these basics, joining objects in Tinkercad becomes very fast and very easy. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Tinkercad and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.